Did you know that you can use your Xbox controller on a PS5? Yes, really. If your hands feel better holding your Xbox controller, but all your games are on the PS5, this is for you. You don't need to buy a new controller or learn new buttons. So first grab a Brook Wingman Converter. This cool little tool plugs into your PS5 and lets your Xbox controller talk to it. It's easy. Next thing is you're going to turn on your PS5 and plug in the converter. Then you're going to press the pairing button on your Xbox controller. It'll blink, then connect. And if it doesn't work right away, go to your PS5 settings, then to accessories, and reset your Bluetooth connections. Try pairing again. If it's still not working, try using a USB cable to connect your Xbox controller directly through the converter. That helps it to connect faster. Lastly, check for updates on the Brook website to make sure that your converter has the newest software. So now you're ready to play all your favorite PS5 games on using the controller that you love the most. So that's pretty cool, right? Don't wait, try it today. If this helped, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.